Hi, my name is Zarin Hogan, and I am from Houston, Texas. This is my final project for Harvard X's online CS50 course. For my final project, I decided to code a web-based weather application that I named Sunrise to Sunset Weather. Most of this was coded in JavaScript because I thought that it would be great for some of the interactive features that I implemented. I also used Python as well as the web framework Flask because it's more lightweight. So this application uses three different APIs, the first and obvious one being the one to pull the actual weather data. The second API that I used is from NewsData IO that allows the pulling of the environmental and technology related news articles. And lastly, I used a geolocation API. And the reason that I use this is because so that when the user first visits the website, we can pull their IP location instead of having to require their permission using browser geolocation so that we can go ahead and start displaying that weather data until they enter a city of their choosing. So as you can see, when we go to the current page, using IP geolocation, it displays the weather in the city closest to me, as well as when you go to the hourly forecast, it will display that information using the local time zone of the city that it gathered from the IP geolocation. And it will also do the same thing on the 3-day forecast starting from the day that they've accessed the website and 2 days out. So when we go back to the search page, if we type in a city such as Berlin in Germany, it will redirect us to the current page and begin displaying weather in Berlin, Germany. As we can see right now there, it is nighttime and it's clear, and we see all of the weather data such as the current temperature and beyond. Now in the left corner, it allows the user the option of selecting Fahrenheit or Celsius. So if we click on this drop-down menu and select Celsius, all of the information on the bottom is immediately updated without having to refresh the entire page. And this was done using JavaScript's localStorage property. And so when we go to the hourly page, again, it's displaying weather for Berlin, Germany, using their local time zone, and that selection of Celsius is still stored. And when we go back to the 3-day forecast page, again, the weather is displaying for Berlin, Germany, and their temperature selection is still stored. And if we go and click on Fahrenheit again, it will update the degree display to Fahrenheit. And if you do Celsius, it will go directly back to that, but that information is saved. So when we go back to the home page, it will always pull data using the user's IP location because that's just a feature that I wanted to implement, as well as constantly refreshing and pulling new environmental and technology related articles. So this has been Sunrise to Sunset Weather, and thank you for watching.